party people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna have a first look at a wig I bought from B Show Hair. I bought it on Amazon. It was like $64, pretty cheap. Just a little background, it's a 12-inch bob, so I haven't done anything to it but take it out the box. Let me show you guys the box it came in. It came in this box. I know it's all ripped. I'm very impatient. Just this little box. That's all it came in. And inside the box came their little card. Has their social media on the back. If you guys are interested. On the inside, it has hair care tips and other things. It also came with a wig cap. That was everything that it came with, everything that came in the box and nothing else. And let me get to showing you guys the wig, because that's what you're here to see. So this is a wig. This is the wig. I don't know if you guys can like see it. It's a 12-inch straight bob. Yeah, so far it doesn't really have a smell. Feels really soft. I'm not getting any like loose strands as I'm going through it in my hands. Let's put the inside out for you guys. So it has 4 combs, 1 on each side. As you can see, it's a 13x4 frontal. The knots don't really look bleach. You guys can see. So I'll probably have to bleach the knots more than likely. I'm trying to pull the hair back so you guys can see the hairline. This is the hairline, if you guys can see it. I'm not sure how good you guys can see. So it's kind of thick a little bit. I think once I put it on, I'll be able to tell if I actually want to pluck the hairline or not. I mean, so far so good. It also has the little adjustable straps. This is the back comb. It has adjustable straps on each side, which is good because they didn't really take like my wig size. It had good reviews, but you know, reviews don't tell everything. So I will, you know, get my hair braided down, put the wig on, blase, wear it for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna come back and tell you guys all about it. And then we'll know if the wear was really good. So I haven't washed it, done anything to it besides take it out the box that it came in this is its natural state. So once I wash it, we'll come back and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, I'm back. So right now we're gonna wash the hair. I have some of my mom's shampoo here because I'm not at home, and she has the Dove Intensive Repair shampoo, so I'm gonna use that to wash it. And then I'm going to put some of this Shea Moisture conditioner in it after. I haven't decided if I'm gonna blow dry it yet or not. You know, Sundays, football days, so let's see how this hair holds up after it's washed. I'm going to wash the hair in warm water. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. And see how it does. right, I'm back again. Washed the hair. I'm about to blow dry it. I'm in a different location. I'm at my mom's house. I'm in my brother's room. I was in my sister's room first. I had to switch rooms because my stepdad turned on the surround sound to watch football. So we're gonna get to blow drying. I'm gonna blow dry the inside first because I don't like when the cap is wet. This is my mom's blow dryer. It's a Conair, Infinity Pro Conair. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna blow dry it on low 1. So what I just did was blow dried this part so it could just be dry. I don't have my heads because I'm at my mom's house, so I'm gonna use my brother's lamp and I'm gonna set the wig on it, and then I'm going to blow dry the wig back to straight. So the hair's dry. Here's what it looked like after it's washed and blow dried. It looks a fucking mess. Let me brush it out for y'all though. So here's what this looked like. I washed it, I blow dried it. I haven't put any product in it. I haven't flat ironed it. It's pretty frizzy, still soft. So far I haven't gotten any shedding. So that's great. I'm gonna show you guys like the weft construction in the back of the wig, if you guys can even see. So let me flip it upside down, that'll be better. So the wig is upside down, so I can show you guys like the weft construction. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but those are the wefts individually. They're individually wefted. I mean, for me, it could have been thicker, but once it's all like laying on top of each other, it is kind of thick. It's kind of naturally thick. So far, first impressions, I like it. Got a little work to do to it. And when I come back, my next video will be a follow-up. I'm gonna wear the wig for like 2 weeks straight, and I'm gonna let you guys know the real tea on it. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. Bye.